Yo, so here's the plan. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put you guys on time lapse. Because this is gonna take a long time to get done, and just to speed up time a little bit. So. Boy, yeah, I know you are. So you guys check this out. This is a new table, or like a new desk that I got, and so I'm gonna put it over there in that corner. I'm gonna replace this desk. Grant's gonna take this desk, but that's the plan. So it's just gonna go right here.
Watch me go. I got the voice and I got that flow. For all the girls, gotta let them know we the ones that run this show. We been around the block.
Guys, hold on a second. Guys, what's up? What's going on? It is way late into the night. I'm actually editing that video right now as you guys are watching. Before I sign off though, I just want to say, hopefully you guys just love this video. I know that everyone's going through a hard time right now, so hopefully I can just give some love. And that last B-roll clip was for you guys to add a little bit of spice for your life. Of course, if you guys like this video, like and subscribe. And honestly guys, I'm exhausted. As you guys can see, these bags are heavy. So anyway, I'm gonna go to bed, but I love you guys. Peace out and stay savage. Woo.